Welcome to Best Digital Marketing. In the free advertising universe, Bing Places for Business is among the more effective and least time-consuming options available, especially if you're a locally oriented business. Like Google Business Profile, Bing Places listings are free, and your listing can appear on Bing search results and Bing Maps for all supported devices. There's a lot to cover, so let's dive in. Why Bing Places? You can claim, enrich, and verify your way to traffic. And we're not talking about current customers, but prime new prospects that have never heard of you. It is critical to have lots of potential customers viewing your company information and website monthly, because only a small percentage of them will actually call or email. Bing, where Bing Places listings appear, is the second most popular search engine after Google. And yes, you should claim and update your Google Business Profile listing. Especially if you're a new business, having two listings is a great starting point for your internet marketing strategy. You can actually sync the information on your Google Business Profile over to your Bing Places listing. Otherwise, you can add your business information manually. Don't let your Bing Places listing go unclaimed and not updated, like this one. There are SEO techniques using Google Autocomplete to identify how a prospect would actually search for your company's Bing Places listing. Using your unique product or service search data is very important to get ahead of the competition and to have Bing display your listing more often in a targeted way for more clicks and prospects. This search data should be used in your business description and possibly in the title of your business. There are hundreds or thousands of phrases that a prospect could search for your company with. And yes, keyword phrases in the business name have a positive impact on rankings on Bing Map too. After all, search engines are designed around the ability to search for information. First of all, if you are representing a company or organization, create a separate company email address specifically for signing into your Bing Places admin panel. Have this email and credentials completely under your control, because sometimes employees who may have these credentials leave the company and the access to the listing with them. On the Bing Places site, go down the page and click on Existing User or New User, depending on your status. Simply log in and update if you've already claimed your listing. The New User screen will present two choices. You can either sync from the Google Business Profile, which Bing still calls Google My Business, or you can add information manually. I will talk about manually adding and claiming a listing next. After you select your business type, a search function appears, and by using your business name, locations, or phone number, the system locates your business. After clicking the Claim Business button, you will need to claim your business by signing into the system where you can update all of your business information. If the system can't find your business, modify your search and try again, or click Create New Business and sign in. At this point, you will go through a series of screens with fields prompting you for all of your business information. Make sure that your listing is completely filled out with information that is accurate and up to date, including a long, keyword-laden description of your business and the products and/or services that you offer. Include the hours of operation if appropriate, contact information, and business category. You can add images to your listing, as Bing rewards listings with multiple relevant images. At the end of this process, there are a few different ways that you can verify the business listing to get it live on Bing. You can receive the PIN number by email, text message, phone call, or mailed postcard. Keep in mind that not all options may be available. When you receive the PIN, simply log into your account and fill in the PIN field. Here's a sample of the Bing Places admin panel statistics area. You can track how many times your listing appears in Bing's search results, and how it's performing compared to competitors' listings in your area. The Bing Places mobile app allows business owners to manage their listings on the go. Owners can update their business information, add videos, respond to customer reviews, and track their performance from their mobile device. Now you have a Bing Places listing ready to work for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please support the channel by patronizing our sponsors found at the links in the video description. There are many free advertising opportunities both online and offline in the economy today, and we have videos covering many of them in the description below. One of them is Apple Business Connect, similar to Bing Places and Google Business Profile. A link is in the description to one of our videos that explains how to use it. We encourage you to claim and update your Bing Places for Business listing yourself, but we can help. Contact us today to find out how we can turbocharge your revenue stream. Since 1995, Target Marketing Solutions has been providing continual sales through continual prospect sales leads, phone calls, requests for quotes, and e-commerce sales for many companies across North America. Your sales growth is always the end goal for the websites, paid search or pay-per-click campaigns, videos, social media, and e-commerce projects that we create for our clients. All sales goals are tracked and reported onto our clients through data tracking tools. How do we create continual sales growth for our clients? By substantially increasing their website search traffic from Google, which massively dominates North American direct search traffic. Nothing else is remotely close to Google with a near 90% market share, especially in direct business-to-business traffic. We target the right new prospects through researching potential prospect search patterns and then implementing these findings on all aspects of our client websites and internet marketing campaigns. This is all done according to the SEO principles developed by Google itself for high page 1 rankings in Google's natural search results pages. For ultimate sales success, website structure, website content, pay-per-click, social media, and videos all must adhere to these very important principles. We are more than just website designers because it's more competitive than ever to get coveted Google high rankings that drive new prospects to your site. Our company has developed hundreds of sales-focused, custom, state-of-the-art websites and internet marketing programs for specialized industries in many professions such as industrial and manufacturing, medical, pharmaceutical and healthcare, law firms, science and technology, food services, e-commerce, B2B, and B2C companies. Our aim with all of our clients' services is to be highly effective, highly targeted, and for you to be highly profitable. You will receive attentive, personalized customer service 24/7. Call 1-888-239-0332, visit targetmarketingsolutions.us, or email us at info@targetmarketingsol for a no-obligation analysis of your marketing from our talented team.